In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to advertise on Shopify and start driving more traffic, customers, and sales to your online store. First, head over to the Shopify website and click on the login button. Enter the email connected to your Shopify store, type in your password, and log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, navigate to the marketing section from the left sidebar menu. This is where Shopify helps you create and manage advertising campaigns for your store. Inside the marketing section, click Create Campaign to begin setting up a new advertisement. Shopify offers integrations with popular advertising platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Google, TikTok, and YouTube, making it easier to promote your products across multiple channels. Choose the marketing channel you want to use and follow the setup instructions to connect your advertising account. After connecting your preferred platform, you'll be able to create ads directly from Shopify by selecting products, setting your audience, choosing a budget, and launching campaigns. You can also explore the automation section inside marketing. Shopify provides ready-made automation templates for email campaigns, abandoned cart reminders, customer follow-ups, and promotional offers. Another effective advertising strategy is creating discounts and promotions. Navigate to the discount section and create offers like percentage discounts, buy one get one deals, or free shipping promotions to attract more buyers. Free shipping is especially effective because many customers are more likely to complete purchases when shipping costs are removed. As your campaigns run, regularly monitor your analytics and reports inside Shopify to understand which ads are generating traffic, clicks, and conversions. Use this data to improve your targeting, adjust budgets, and optimize your campaigns for better performance over time. You can learn more through the official Shopify marketing tools and the Shopify Help Center. And that's it. You now know how to advertise on Shopify and start growing your online business with smarter marketing strategies. Thanks for watching.